A mini fridge that's not cooling, despite the light being on, can be caused by several issues, including thermostat problems, dirty condenser coils, or blocked airflow. To address these problems, start by repairing any thermostat issues. This can be done by unplugging the unit, locating the thermostat, and adjusting it to the coldest setting to see if you can hear a click. If not, it may need to be replaced. If this doesn't resolve the issue, check the condenser coils, usually found at the bottom or back of the fridge, and clean them using a vacuum cleaner with a soft brush or a coil brush for more stubborn dirt. Additionally, ensure that airflow is not blocked by disconnecting the fridge from the power source, clearing any objects that may be obstructing the vents, and making sure there's enough space around the fridge for proper ventilation. Clean the vents with a soft brush or vacuum cleaner to remove dust once these steps have been taken. Test the mini fridge to see if it's now cooling properly. By following these steps, you should be able to fix a mini fridge that's not cooling, but still has a working light.